Well, look how filthy my FN2 is. It's filthy. What are we doing today? Listen, man, I don't moan. I just like to mention that my exhaust was annoying me, and now you've ripped it off. It's gone. So we're replacing it with a Tegiwa system because I've got a great big box there with one in it. Look how dirty it is. I'm sorry, everyone. I'm sorry. Even the Cowbugger Car Diaries lads can't come and clean the car for me. They have to send me soap and buckets. I will do it, I promise. So, Richard, do you think that this is the best system for the car, don't you?
I think value for money, yeah. I won't say it's the best full stop, as in like...
No, but for the money that you paid for a Tegiwa system...
For the money you pay, the quality of it and everything else, yes, I think it's the best value for money. I think it's the best system you're going to buy.
Looking forward to it, mate. Looking forward to it. Ooh, shiny. You're chosen, you must go. There she is. I've gone up,
sitting on the floor.
I've got up slightly in bore size, and Richard's saying that it's fouling slightly.
Because so this should be further back, I think. This should be slightly further back here, and it's done. But it's because of the manifold. But we knew that anyway, didn't we? Well, we had a good idea.
Well, we've modified quite a few now, haven't we?
Yeah.
Well, it's on.
It's on.
It's on, and I think we'll be tweaking it in another sitting. Not now, because we've got plenty of EP3 to map. But it does look lush. And like I say, I've gone up a bore size slightly, so it's 70mm.
We'll have to take it back out and cut it. The piece in.
Yep, okay.
YouTube videos.
Let's get serious now, boy. Get serious now.
Oh yeah.
Are you holding it?
I am.
Good lad.
I'm going to grip it really tight.
Oh, I like it. Oh, there she is. You sound sweet. Richard's obviously made he's given me another inch. And now it all fits lovely. As Richard explains, that's because it's a different manifold than the Tegiwa one. But yeah, that's looking lush now, Richard. Thank you.
Stick it knocks and bangs.
Yeah, well, we'll stick it on the dyno on Saturday for the FN2 day, won't we? Yeah. Right, there you go. I'm happy with that. Hey, Rich. Give it a tickle. Hey. I got kids in bed. I got fucking kids in bed. There we go. Happy with that. Just needs a wash. A wash for Saturday. Okay, so after Richard has handed me a bollocking for running crappy fuel from the co-op, so not a particularly scientific test, what we've done is overlaid my best run ever to today's run. And red line is the best run I ever had on this car, which is 225 brake horsepower. And today's run is 229. So Richard's suggesting that I put some decent fuel in it and stop messing about. And then we'll see what she actually makes. But today we are finished on 229.1 brake horsepower, and for me that's a result because it's the best she's ran, and she sounds immense. So yeah, anything to say upon that, Richard, other than the fact that I've got crappy fuel in there?
Yeah, crappy fuel in there, but the exhaust made a difference, ain't it?
It has made a difference, so well, I'm really happy.
I mean, on the initial results, it's made a difference.
Yeah.
So it'd be nice to do. I mean, the main reason that we did this test more than anything else was that because we're doing the development for the induction kits. What I don't want to do...
You wanted
is
a baseline.
Exactly, is to corrupt data between the induction kits and the exhaust change, because this is going to be the car that's going to get the induction kits on. So I wanted to do a power run, obviously, with this exhaust change, so we know where we are. And then, obviously, when we come to do this induction test, which is probably going to start happening next week,
Tuesday.
Tuesday, that we're not getting corrupt data from that. You know what I mean? So it's getting that out of the way, getting that sorted.
I've still not got a goldfish in there.
No goldfish.
Thunderstruck, AC/DC. That's how I feel this morning, mate. Right. Thanks, man.